Just filled this 5 minutes ago. Isn't it pretty just how the water goes? Some of them know that I'm recording, so they're flying in the tree and not getting in the bath. I have it zoomed in so I'm not that close. Y'all gonna stare at it? I got a couple more to fill. Oh, they're over in the dry one that doesn't have anything in it. Well, I guess that's it. There's a butterfly. That rose that is behind the bird bath, that is yellow and orange and red, that one came from Home Depot last year. I didn't know that Home Depot had magical rose bushes. Uh-oh. Let me be quiet. Yeah, there's water in there. Maybe he can't swim. It's like the Home Depot rose bushes are really multicultural. And what I mean by that is that I got a yellow one, and it's where stripes is buried, and just like that one, the blooms before they, they've turned into blooms, they are red. And if you look, that rose bush is yellow. Is orange and yellow with like a taint of pink. And that's what I mean by multicultural, that there are different, colors. Like Stripes' rose bush looks like before the blooms even open, they're still growing and doing their thing. His were yellow. Well, now that they're opened, they go from like a yellow, the center, I don't know if you just saw that bird, they're yellow with a red, and then I guess when they get to, they've done their bloomness, they're white with the red center and the orange center as well. Okay, well, I guess that's it. Oh, there's a bee. Can you guys see the bee buzzing around on the thing? On the rose bush? Oh, there's a bird. Oh, let me get you in frame. Take your little bath, wash your face, that's right. Wash your beak. Ooh. Let's see if the brown one's going to have balls to stay in there. Yep. Oh, crap. Don't land on his head. Warshy, warshy, warshy. I might have to span out some, all these birds. Holy hell. That's 5 birds. They're like, her fat tail ain't going to get up and fill the other one. Oh my God, almost 6. Oh no, 4. I can't count. I got the screen all up in my face. Oh my God. I've never done this before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6 of them. I'm gonna need new water. Oh my God, 7. Oh, now I lost 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other one's in the tree. 6. 1 flew up in the tree. Son, you must be hella dirty. Whoop. This is cool. I've never, like I said, never done this. It stinks because my arm itches and I can't itch my arm. I have no idea what all these birds are. Them two having a group meeting. Looked like he was swimming. Oh, I'm out of frame. I keep looking away and moving the daggone phone. That bird on the right hand side next to the robin looked like a little kid stepping into the water. That was funny. That might be my supervisor, that robin right there. He's like, you ain't doing nothing, Kim. Just holding a phone. Intruding on our space. I love birds. Can't tell you how many bird feeders we have in this yard. I'll have to refill that thing. You splashed around. And now it's empty. I can't tell how much water. I guess not too much. That one's pretty even or equal, level. I'll get the word out. And I'm really happy. I'm gonna pan you guys on the ground for a minute. Because, whoops, hold on. This one is the one that I got from QVC, and it had a thing and a little, doohickory fountain or something, or solar thing. But I don't know, the piece is always coming out, so I don't know where that is. But I took that stuff, I don't know if you can see it down there, that caulk and stuff for pond, like all this, because it had a crack. So it looks like right now that it's holding water. So that's really good that it's holding water. And there's my plant. You see a lot of greenage. I don't know if I'll do a video on that or not, if anybody wants to see a video. Uh-oh. See how far away I was? Oh girl, we got all the neighbors' houses in the shot. Oh, now I made movement. And neighbors don't care. I don't even think they live in their houses. But I'm gonna get off of here and go and put all this stuff away because it's too hot. I'm wearing a black shirt. Miserable. I think I did pretty much what I wanted to do. And it's just too hot. I don't know how to flip y'all because I would show you my shirt that I got from Amazon. But anyways. All right, y'all, so that's my bird footage, and I'll talk to y'all later. I don't know if I'll post it, but yep, I had fun. Bye. Happy Sunday.